Hey, this is Ralph, and in this video I want to just go over how fast it is to make a new blog for your class or for a group of people that you just want to start sharing information with. So if you want to start blogging, then this is one way to go about it. So I'm over here at Blogger, which is owned by Google, and if you've got a Google account or a YouTube account, then you've got a Blogger account. It's really fast and easy. So just sign in to your Blogger account, blogger.com, and you get over to the dashboard. And the dashboard is an interface where you can kind of see which blogs you have if you already have some. You'll probably already have one because when you first create your Blogger account, it'll kind of force you to create your first blog. Let's say I want to create a second blog. So I'm over here, and all I have to do is hit the Create a Blog option, give my blog a title. How about Another Blog by Ralph? I'll give it a unique address. Every blog has to have a unique URL. It'll be something.blogspot.com. So I'll just go ahead and call this Ralph Phillips. Let's see if that'll work. It may already be taken. Let's find out. And then I have to try out this CAPTCHA. I'm terrible at these though. I think it's WHIBIL, or is that a 1? Who knows? I'm going to hit continue, see what happens. Hey, looks like it worked. Okay, cool. So then I can just pick a simple design here. By the way, there's options to really go through a lot of fancier designs, but I'll just pick one of these. I'll do a picture window one. Continue. Blog has been created. Start blogging. Now this is my form for filling out a new post, which is of course what most blogs are. And let me see, I can just put in a text post. So if you just want to type out information, no problem. You just treat this like a little baby word processor. You can do paragraphs, bold, italics, underlining, basic hyperlinks, and things like that. If you're fond of, actually I'm in HTML mode. If you go into compose mode, which you might even find a little bit more user friendly, you get even more options, including bulleted list and numbered list and things like that. So I can just go ahead and type some stuff out. Normal text for my blog post. Okay, down at the bottom here, I've got some post options. These come in handy, especially if you don't want to make your post live yet. You can actually schedule your post for several days in the future, and a lot of professional blogs will do this. They might write 5 or 6 posts, but then they can time them so that they come out one a day or once every other day or something like that. So you can schedule this post in the future. I'll go ahead and do post date automatic though. Once I've taken care of that, just hit publish post. That's done. View my post. Okay, so here's my blog, and there's my text post. Let me try another one. I'll just head back for a second here, and I'm going to create another post. And for this post, I want to embed a YouTube video. So I'll just make a title of YouTube video. I'll jump back over to YouTube, which I already have open. And here's a video I have on changing the Blogger template. So I'll go ahead and click on this video. Hi, this is Ralph. Now I don't want to play it though, but I am going to go down a little bit below the video and I'm going to get the embed options. Okay, so embed, YouTube will give you a chunk of code that you can copy and paste. I can choose different dimensions, and this is where you do need to know kind of the sizing of your blog. I'll go ahead and choose the default one here though, 640 by 390. Okay, I'll just select this. Control C to copy. Back over to Blogger. Here's my new post, but for this one I'm going to go to Edit HTML mode, and I'll just paste that chunk of code in there, hit Publish, and then view my post. So my video is now embedded in that blog post, but you can see I chose a video that was a little bit too big, so I might have to go back and fix that. No problem. I'll just go back to YouTube, and instead I'll get the 560 by 349. That automatically will change the markup code for me. You can even see there's the width 560. I'll copy that one back over to my blog, and if I hit my back button I can just go to Edit Post, replace the existing code with the new code, publish that post, view it. Still a little bit of a problem. So if it's giving me this kind of issue, I guess I picked a bad template for an example, but then we'll just kind of force it. I'll just jump back over to Edit Post, and in the HTML view I can manually do this. It'd be best if I got the exact ratio of what I should do, so I'm just going to guess at it though. I'll do 500 by 320. Publish post, view post. At least now it fits a little bit better in the frame there. So something to keep in mind when you're picking your blog. Know what the width is good, and then if you're putting in regular YouTube videos, that'll take care of that. But that's pretty easy. You can make text posts, you can make your video posts. If I click on my title here, this will actually be my blog URL. So ralphphillips.blogspot.com is now live and accessible by the world, and they can see all the posts you put on there. YouTube has a lot of different settings. They really make it easy on you. So a lot of customization. So when you first start creating your blog here, you're going to want to spend some time going through all of these options. And there's all kinds of cool things you can do. You can even rig it up so that you can post a new post via email. So that way, if you're out there with your smartphone, you can just send an email to a special email address that nobody else knows about, and that'll post right to your blog. That's pretty cool. And you can also have people comment on your blog, so you can create a dialogue, create a community right there about your particular topic. So really easy to do. So if you're new to blogging, check out blogger.com.